That is the battery for this. This is the Dyson SV09 battery-powered vacuum cleaner. And this is the battery that came out of it. I'm going to show you all of it here in just a second. This is where it came out of. And there's a screw back here, right here, and right here that hold it in. Those are the two screws. And these batteries are dead. They won't take a charge. And I was curious because I'm just a curious fella. First of all, to get this apart, you just about have to tear it up. And I thought, based on the size of this, that it was probably an 18650 battery. And sure enough, 1865. I don't know how many amp hours it is. It's probably in code there somewhere. But if you could figure out a way to get this apart without destroying it, you could just replace them 18650 batteries. That's where they go, just like that. So there's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, which is, that's a lot of, I mean, 18650 is a big battery and they hold a lot of juice. So apparently this motor takes a lot of juice to turn. That's a lot of batteries. And you know, I should take all these 18650 batteries out. Here, let me show you what I mean. Give me 1 second. I have a flashlight here. I'm going to show you that battery. Well, they're actually not exactly alike. Huh. I don't know what the difference is. This is an 18650. And this is too. This does have an overcharge thing, so that's probably what the difference is. Right from about where my thumbnail is up, that is a device on the battery, attached to the battery, that prevents overcharging, and that is about the length, the difference in length. So that's what that is. So this circuitry here probably has some overcharging prevention circuitry built into it. So if I was, you know, bored and looking for something to do, I would take all these batteries out and see which one or more are bad. But I don't care enough. I just thought that was interesting. And I have a replacement battery. Give me just a second. I ordered this through Rob's Homemade Life. And not bad for a new battery and a couple of new filters. I'll show you how this goes back together this afternoon when I get that battery. Alrighty, here's the battery. And I will leave a link in the description for this battery. And the battery came with 2 of these filters. Alrighty. So let me get you on the tripod. It's only 2 screws. It's a real simple install. Alright, it's working. So 1 screw goes on the back of the handle. And this is the Dyson SV09. And the second screw goes right up here. And if this thing stops having the suction that it once had, this comes off. You get a screwdriver on the edge of this and you pry it up all the way around and it snaps off. And I guarantee it'll have all kinds of crap plugged up and hair and all kinds of fuzz, and you just clean it out and you put this back on and you give this a good whack and it'll snap it back together. So there we go. Okay, Dyson SV09. There's also a filter on the back of that, but it's the air comes in that way. Or does it go out? Let me feel. All right, you're not going in. What's the deal here? There we go. Yeah, air comes out, so I have no idea why it would have a filter for exiting air. Maybe it's to hold dust, or maybe it's hypoallergenic or something like that. All right, Dyson SV09 battery replacement. And we've had this thing for 4 years, and it took 4 years for this battery to go dead. So, easy peasy. Thanks for watching.